In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to a hotel TV. So let's get started. Now, first of all, I'm gonna go over the most reliable method that works almost in every hotel. And this is using an HDMI cable. So what do you need for this? You obviously need your iPad, you need an HDMI cable, and then on top of that, you need an adapter. Now, the adapter depends on what kind of iPad you have. Now, if your iPad is charged using an USB-C, which looks something like this, then you're going to need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Now, if your iPad is old and it uses the lightning cable, then you're going to need a lightning to HDMI adapter. So whatever your iPad uses, just go ahead and buy the adapter which is relevant to your iPad. Now, once you've bought that, then what you're gonna do is one side obviously goes into your iPad, and on the other side, you put one end of the HDMI and the other one goes behind the TV. And this and when you do this, your iPad screen instantly appears on the TV. There is no Wi-Fi needed and it works in all hotels. So this is basically the best option. Now, method two is using AirPlay, but this feature is usually blocked in hotels. So AirPlay only works if the TV supports AirPlay, because it could be that the TV doesn't even support AirPlay in the first place. So the TV has to support AirPlay. iPad and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, and hotel network allows device to device connection, which many hotels do not allow. So if you're lucky, just go ahead to your TV, turn on the AirPlay on, then from your iPad you scroll down on the top right corner, click on screen mirroring, and from here you can choose your TV. Now, if your iPad screen shows up, then consider yourself lucky, because it usually doesn't work in hotels. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.